Healthier snacks, homemade chips. In the search for healthy snacks, one comfort food that's tough to replace with a healthier version is chips. But while there aren't many good alternatives in the grocery store, you can make healthier versions in your own kitchen. Besides containing less fat and no preservatives, these homemade, healthier snacks have the bonus of being more frugal, and because you'll have to make them in smallish batches, you're less likely to overeat. Homemade potato chips. By baking potato chips in the microwave, you save a lot of calories and fat. You can even substitute sweet potatoes, if you like. Just wash a potato, then slice it as thinly as possible. A mandolin or the slice feature on a multigrater make this easier. For added nutrition, leave the peel on the potato. Next, place 1 tablespoon of oil in a large plastic sealable bag. Add the potato slices, close the bag, and move the slices around until they are lightly coated with oil. Cut a piece of parchment paper so it fits inside your microwave. Place the potato slices on the paper in a single layer so they don't touch. Cook the slices for 4 or 5 minutes. Watch the first couple of batches closely, since microwave strength varies from machine to machine. The slices must be a little brown in order to turn crisp. Remove the parchment paper from the microwave and place the slices in a bowl. Add salt or other seasonings and allow to cool. Nutritious speed chips. For a healthier and more nutritious version of chips, try using fresh beets. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F. Overheat, peel a beet and slice thinly. Toss the beet with 1/2 teaspoon olive oil. Place the slices on top of a baking sheet, the kind with a rim, in a single layer. Place another rimmed baking sheet upside down, on top of the sheet holding the slices, creating a kind of lid. Bake for 20 minutes, or until the edges of the slices are dry. Uncover the slices and bake for another 10 or 20 minutes, or until the chips are a lighter color. Remove chips to a rack and allow to cool. Homemade tortilla chips. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F. Overheat, cut several corn tortillas into wedges and place on a baking sheet. Lightly spray with olive oil. If desired, add salt or other seasonings. Bake about 10 minutes, or until brown.